Hey everyone, and welcome to the next van build episode on applying truck bed liner to the roof of our van. This video is a little old, it's back from 2019, but I found the footage and I wanted to share it with you guys and show you how we put the truck bed liner on the roof of our van. And we did it because we wanted that extra security and protection against the weather or anything that's going to potentially hit the roof of our van while on the road or get stuck underneath our solar panels or platform deck while we're driving. So this is just going to add, like I said, more protection, prevent scratches and rust, which we definitely don't want. So let's get into it and we'll show you how we applied truck bed liner to the roof of our van. So really quick, I just want to call out, we use clear truck bed liner just in case if we ever wanted to resell the van or remove the solar panels or remove the deck. We don't want a black rooftop because I would think that that's going to create more heat from the sun beating down on the roof.
All right, hey guys. So this morning I am going to paint the top of the van where our solar panels and our potential deck is going to go with truck bed liner, just so that it doesn't get ruined, because once the solar panels and everything are on the van, it's going to be really hard to clean underneath of it. So yeah, here we go. All right, so here are all the supplies you need. The sandpaper is to sand down the top of the van before I start anything. This helps the truck bed liner and everything stick better. Obviously I have some glass cleaner. This is the invisible glass cleaner we use for literally everything. Paper towels, the Rust-Oleum truck bed liner. We're gonna go with clear for the top, just so that you can't totally tell, because if it was black we think it would really stand out and all that. So we're gonna try this and see how it goes. In addition to that, we have handy dandy painter's tape, because we're gonna tape off the top or the front and the back of the van so that it doesn't get on like the sides or anything or start to run down the front or the back. As for the sides, we did install roof rails, so that's going to be the tape on the sides, for lack of a better term. I additionally have 4-inch brushes. I'm going to try to roll it and see how it goes. I think it'll be faster. And then I have a paint can with a disposable insert so that I can just throw it out at the end and not have to clean it up. Alright, so we're finally on top of the van, but it is fall here in New Jersey, so it's a little dewy this morning and the top of the van is wet. So I'm going to actually dry it off with a towel and then start the whole sanding process. Alright, so the top of the van is dry. I'm going to start with the painter's tape. I am going to tape off, like I said, the front of the van, and then use the roof rails as something for the side of the van to say how far I'm going to go. I'm going to paint to about this, or I'm going to tape off to this portion, and I'm going to use this roof rail to be my barrier on the side. Alright, so I've sanded the front of the van, or the top of the van. I did everything until the max air fan, and then I'll do everything again, just so that I have kind of an area to leave all my crap. Yeah, so it's sanded, painter's tape is up at the top. Now I am going to use the glass cleaner to clean off all of like the dust and everything from sanding.
In terms of the truck bed liner, this is what the finished product looks like. And it's nice and clear. It feels like sandpaper, like 40 grit, and I think it came out really good. And it just gives you that extra layer of protection against the roof when you're going to be up here working. All right, so that wraps up this van build episode. I know it was short and sweet, but we wanted to show you how we applied truck bed liner to the roof of our van. Let us know in the comments below whether or not you think it's worth it and whether or not you would do it. I know it's more of a nice to have, but it gives us that extra layer of protection and it can't hurt. So that's everything that we have for today. So if you want to see more van build episodes, consider subscribing to our channel where we post a video on just about everything that we do. And thanks so much for watching, and we will see you next time.